I got a request from someone who has issues with shaping their brows and they would like an eyebrow tutorial. So here we go. So this is going to be quick and easy. I already finished the left side of my brow, my left brow. And what I like to use is I like to use the LA Girl Brow Bestie in the color deep brown. I don't know if y'all can see that, but yeah, it's by LA Girl. I got it from my local beauty supply store. So what I like to do is basically brush my brows. There's a brush at the tip of this, and there's also the actual product itself. So I just go ahead and I do this, and I just brush them out. What you want to do is you want to brush your brows upward, and then slightly at the top like that. The next thing that I do is I begin to shape. Now, shaping can be really tricky, especially if you don't know exactly the shape that you're going for. Like with me, I arch and shape my own brows, and then I go ahead and do my brows. So this particular tip is basically this little product here. It's like a little pencil. I don't know if you guys can see it. And then what I do is I start from here, and I just slowly, you want to follow the arch of your brow onto the tip. Now the ending part of your eyebrow is your choice whether you want them long or short, but you always want to make sure that you line up the very end tail of your brow to like your mouth. So here, from here, this is where you'll end. So you want to stop right there. And then you proceed to just fill in your brows from the middle to the edge. If you want to extend the tail longer, you can. But yeah. And I just go ahead and I just start filling in. And then what I do is I do this. And at the very top, I trace my actual brow to the very tip. And that's how I do it. Okay, so as you finish, you're gonna continue to just, you don't wanna start here and then go. You wanna start here under your brow and then just start to trace your actual natural brow to the tip. Now that we have gotten that in place, we go back in with our tip end of our brush and we do this. Right? What I like to do is I like to use foundation, and I use foundation to actually shape my brows, or I'll use concealer, but for this instance I already have on foundation. Use your foundation because you want to make brows look natural. I'll explain it later. So I just go ahead and dip my brush into, I got some foundation poured out already. And what you want to do is you want to actually start here. And like I said before, it starts with the shape of your brow, how you want to shape it. Here, I'm just going to put some over my, not too much. You do not want to put too much on there. This is like a little bit of an amount you need. And then you just start to just trace. You'll know a difference once you blend everything out. You'll see a difference. And just pat it down. That's my hair. So you're starting from the beginning here. So you take that eyebrow brush and you start from here, and then you just slowly start to trace your natural brow out towards the tip. Then you're gonna go to the very top and shape it just like you did the bottom. But make sure that you stay here, like maybe an inch above, tiny inch above your actual brow, because you don't want to lose that shape. But it depends on the shape that you're going for. Now you have a perfectly arched brow that actually looks like you have gotten it done from the salon. And then I just slightly blend it out, slowly blend it out. You can use a beauty blender, you can use your finger, but I like to do it like this because it makes it more flawless. And you just let it sit. And that is how, ladies and gentlemen, I do my brows. Easy as 1, 2, 3. If you guys have any more questions, any concerns, leave your comment down below. Let me know what you think about this video. And this video was highly requested. I hope I answered all of your questions. And that's it. See you next time.